One she and three, you know. Chat move, right? Them cat you want search me. She said my sweet she. Pull up on the block. Well, I mash up 6:30.
Welcome back again, viewers and subscribers, to the trendy dancehall. You see me? So we are gonna kick off the review today with the artist you call Aantsman with him single called Banknote. You see me? But before we do so, please subscribe if you're new.
Money, man, I free watch it chop at them. Man, I live the lifestyle and me the foreign. Girl, I come na the Benz, watch it let that.
Clothes and skirt and shots. Yo, the artist have bad him name Aantsman, you see me? So him are the first dancehall artist, Jamaican artist, to release a single called Banknote, you see me? And so far the track was me are telling the people, here we go on, just here we go.
When I them a chop the line like close now when again the billions on the line. Got no time for waste of time. Chop niggas just stop the grind, stop the bread and coffee and make up for mine. A first a line a easy back with me strap away from bad mind, you know.
Yeah, know people, the artist bad, you need to go check him out. The link I got there down below in the description of the bio. You see me? The man said the nigga them a choppy line like close now. Wait again, so line now no use. You see me? Yeah man. Man bad man. You see me? Him just a easy back a wait for them to run up. Yes I. So here we go on people. You know go check him out. You see me? Bad artist. You go hear about him. You see me? Make sure you get used to him face. So Teejay you know. Him on the next topic. So we are going to jump in it like this you know. You see me? Channel people, watch out, me I go play the full video for that when him just a sing a while ago, you see me? But watch out, you see Teejay, the up top boss, we all know him as a very melodical artist. Him have different type of flows, you see me? And right there so, him never have to take that to the media, but him has shown it from early, you see me? And look at it, as we me said right now. You are going to see Teejay son come and mash up a place like how him father do it, you see me? And it a go happen, just remember me did say that the trendy dancer. So watch the full video, see it here.
Just go forward, but tonight the room we are roll out, stand up, with the party tonight. We are going to party and go sing for
I don't even know if this is something we're right on or not, but just amidst everything and I pray how him a flow and thing. You talk about markets and top off and yo, the kid I got body though. Remember me tell him broke out, that you the rough. Mad thing, man peeps. So what you know no? You see if you make it down, wipe on the down, but yo, standard English settings, is it? Settings, so what you know, if you make it this far in the video, big up yourself because you're loyal to the thing, you see me? So, what you know now? The chronic class section, this a grime and it's increased.
Anybody plan fi try this, they done fi die. Zombie like go fi them when a candle light. The rifle no string pa amplifier, boy it a beat heavy, 6 bars.
All them money things set already, you know, the dog, yo, him wassy man, peeps. Yeah, man, the man I say, yo, like zombie, him go for them in the night without candle light. I want to know, you know, when zombie a roll out. You see me? A mad thing, man. You know what my rate with the dog to? The dog say 6 straight, you know, man. Remember that, you know, the dog loyal to the thing, people. Yeah, man, here I go on.
Me done put me heart for PIs, me and a somebody nights. Me kill them and put them dope in a buckle like Calified. From me a little boy, me love murder.
Feel like the radio wave hard and nice game the you see me? The idea for say yo happy eyes and put him out on, you see me? But the dog wicked still, you see me? Anything we him say a while ago just connect a while ago. No jokes. Here we go on.
Love war, love murder. No one of the too far. Hard coal and my guys clock chips and a fresh check it.
Check it thermometer. It man. Yeah man people, so I don't know how the people them supposed to react to that one when him drop. You see me, but I don't know how him know about the badness or whatsoever. You see me, but him can sing some good song though, you see me? I mean when it come to the badness and thing.
It's Fahrenheit, check the thermometer. Antarctica life. See me killer them at Siberia in a night cold. We no smile, Keep a chubby 30 like Korean, take 3 pints.
Everything connect. Bullseye. Yeah, man, the dog wicked. The man say Clipper carry 30 like Curry. And then the food of the basketball, you see me, people. The dog you say him a live Antarctica life. Well, cool. But hey, here I go.
Everything have to connect. Bullseye. The man lean coffee up with Sprite. Never try learn can this one laugh in me gang lads and a concern. Want to some little never.
The dog a spitting up people. He must spit, man. The man say, yo, everything connect Bullseye. Feed them man lean cough syrup with Sprite. You know, lean and codeine and Mali and them something there. Yeah, man, I saw the dog mix it in, man. Dog wicked, is it? You know, some just I realize what I gone. Man, this alkaline.
Some little nerd feel big like Titanic when my heart is an iceberg. Oh, that's a dry search. When them say freeze, me say some me yard burst. See the blue light and nobody now splash.
Man, is it? Yeah, nah, man. You know, you just gone. The dog say, yo, them are going like them big, like Titanic, and them and Fame Boss, a iceberg, and I don't know that sink the ship, sink the Titanic ship, you know, bro. Man, it match up, but we have to go see what really I go on after this, you know, cause something want to stay him up.
Gunshot and fly special I got there. Me don't put me hard for happy eyes. Me and somebody nice. Me kill them and put them dope in a buckle like a lift.
But you know, people, you know, don't know the thing go. The trendy dancehall each and every day. You see me, like and subscribe. You see me at the end of the video. This enough respect. Bless up everybody. You see me.